In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp connected inside your account so you can message leads and customers directly through GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions since integrations and billing typically require admin access. It also helps to have your billing method set up ahead of time because WhatsApp messaging is a paid add-on. From the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all your account level configuration lives, including permissions, phone systems, and of course, integrations. Inside Settings, select Integrations. You'll land in the Integrations area, which is essentially the hub for connecting third-party tools and native messaging channels to your workspace. Take a moment to browse this page so you're familiar with the layout. You should see a list of available apps and channels you can connect. There's a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. Make sure you spell it correctly so the tile appears right away. Once you see the WhatsApp option in the results, click Connect. This will open a panel guiding you through enabling WhatsApp messaging for your account. Next, subscribe to WhatsApp messaging. This activates the channel inside GoHighLevel and ensures your messages are routed properly. You may see notes about rates, message templates, and compliance. Take a quick moment to review them so you understand how billing and messaging categories work. When prompted, choose Agency Purchase. This means the subscription is handled at the agency level for your GoHighLevel setup. If you manage multiple sub-accounts, confirm you're enabling it in the correct place. Check the box to agree to the terms and then click Enable Now. Keep the tab open while the system processes your request. Provisioning can take a moment. Once enabled, you should see WhatsApp listed as connected in your integrations area. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. From here, WhatsApp will be available within conversations and can be used in your automations and campaigns where messaging channels are supported. If you run into any issues, double-check your permissions, verify that your billing is active, and try clearing your browser cache before reaching out to support. That's it. You've successfully integrated WhatsApp and GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.